Me, I'm back the games channel, and we will have the greatest question of the day. It's from my friends. Okay, they're asking if VR Box a console. I don't think so, but it's absolutely yes. That console was originally released by PS4, and so let's take a unbox it. I keep it already at least for 3 years. I'm keeping this for 3 years up there above there. See that white thing with that white thing in there? That is the beer box, and let's take a look. Let's open it, guys. So guys, here it is. Beer box. Keeping it. The controller. Actually, I always thought if I see this controller, it looks like a Nintendo Wii U, right? But except for these buttons. Nintendo Wii U only have this button, this, and the joystick in the VR box. The console is there, and where you place the phone is here. It's sketchy, but actually it's one of my first console ever. Actually, we'll try to use it today, but I can't because my dad got on my phone and I can't use it. That's why I just kept this for 3 years. So back, this really good. Let's try to wear it for a while. Yeah, really comfortable. No, yeah, nothing good. Do it playing with the controller. Yeah, that's all I can say. This, yeah, I'm really taking care of this thing. So I'll keep it back. And guys, thanks for watching my video and subscribe for more videos.